The AstroAI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by AstroAI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about this awesome car vacuum. It's perfect for pretty much everyone. It's portable, it can reach in any place, and it's powerful even though it's so small. It comes with an LED light so you can actually see what you're cleaning. Having this, it's really nice and easy just in between, car washes and stuff. You can go ahead and just use it really quickly, and it saves you time and money, which is really nice and super convenient. Like I said, it's perfect for anyone, but it's also great for families. As you can imagine, having dogs in the car, all the hair gets all over the place, having little ones, there's food, there's spit up, all that fun stuff. This is where the vacuum comes in really handy. It comes with several different attachments so you can actually clean all the spots of your car and get in all those really small crevices. The vacuum itself is super easy to use. It's really easy. You just grab the plug and plug it right into your cigarette adapter, and the cord is really long. You won't have to worry about it stretching all the way to your trunk. As long as your seats fold down, you can use it back there, no problem at all. It comes with a carrying case, so you can take it from your car to your home to a small apartment, anything like that. What I really like about the vacuum is it doesn't take up hardly any space. I can store it under my seat or in my trunk, and I still have room for everything else I need. It's really easy to clean. All you have to do is get the filter, dump it out, and you're done. It also comes with an air freshener, so it keeps your car smelling nice and fresh. So if you're someone who has a messy car, kids, dogs, just want to keep a clean car at all times, I highly recommend this because this works.
Relax in luxury with the Everlasting Comfort seat cushion. Using heat-responsive technology, our advanced foam cushion molds perfectly to the shape of your bottom, guaranteeing custom support, yet retains its shape after each use. Just like the world's leading memory foam manufacturers, our cushion is made with 100% premium quality memory foam. Comfortably alleviate chronic and acute pain with its U-shaped ergonomic design, recommended by orthopedic surgeons and medical doctors across the globe. Find relief on any seat with the cushion's soft exterior, non-slip gel rubber bottom, and portable size. Plus, the cover is easily removable and machine washable. Stop suffering and start living pain-free with the Everlasting Comfort seat cushion.